welcome back to another cooking tutorial. Today I will be telling you how to make deep fried brownie bites. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, to like, comment, and subscribe to join the kingdom of the Cook King. Alright, so first things first, you have to make the brownie themselves. The ingredients you're gonna want are brownie mix, 2 eggs, 1/4 cups of water, 1/3 cups of oil, and then I recommend adding fudge and chocolate chips. You're going to want to put the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And for the deep frying batter, you're going to need half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, sugar, and cake mix. You're going to want to take these brownies and cut them into a bunch of 2 by 2 inch squares. You're going to want to take these squares and press them into tight balls by squeezing them in your hand. Now you're going to want to fill a pot with about 3/4 of the way full with oil and heat it up to medium heat. You're going to want to let that sit for 10 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it in case it goes overboard. Once the oil is ready, you're going to want to take these 2 by 2 inch brownie balls. You're going to want to submerge them in the batter, make sure they're nice and covered, and then put them in the oil. I recommend using a kebab skewer to put them in and out. You're going to want to hold them in the oil for about 6 seconds. And then something I personally love to use deep fried brownies for is I recommend using them for vanilla ice cream and then putting caramel sauce on top. So long, Cooking Nation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I'll see you in the next one.